Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com and on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
We begin this evening with the latest out of neighboring Haiti, where a state of emergency remains in effect.
Armed gangs stormed 2 prisons on Sunday, which resulted in thousands of prisoners escaping.
There is now greater worry throughout the region, with concerns surrounding how CARICOM may get involved.
Shamela Pullen has the details.
Port-au-Prince, Haiti was the scene of chaos on the weekend, tires burning in the streets of the capital, but no firefighters or police in sight to bring calm. Some residents tell the CNN they have not eaten for days.
No, there's a thing. My country is broken right now.
While it's felt this episode of violence is the worst yet.
This 14-year-old says he was recruited by a gang at 11. Tells me he's often forced to burn the bodies of those killed by other gang members. I want to change my way of life, he says, with a heavy look of shame. He flexes BSAP's strength in numbers and its potential to help bring stability. But when it comes to his own family...
You mentioned you have 4 kids. What do you think their future is in this country?
He fears their future is best served leaving Haiti.
This fresh round of unrest stems from 2 prison breaks over the weekend. More than 4,000 prisoners are now on the run, while gangsters continue to wreak havoc in the country.
The gangs had announced that they were going to the jail. They had said that. So why was not a state of emergency declared then before that? The same thing. We have been having this problem in 2021. Why was not a state of emergency declared then? So it really is too little too late. Policemen were calling for help, and the police hierarchy did not send the help.
It is for this reason that founder of Human Imaginaries, Melania Lane, has been working to keep 37 refugees whose asylum application had been rejected in Jamaica.
This situation cannot be resolved by any one country alone. It requires a unified, coordinated approach. And so I urge the government, I urge CARICOM leaders and United Nations and international community to work together in solidarity, to stand with Haitian refugees and to put in place a mechanism for protection, because this is what has been done for other migrant groups, and so I cannot understand why, when it comes to Haitians in every corner of the world, they are always disregarded, treated as disposable, excluded, and treated as less than human.
Last year, Kenya committed to sending police military support to Haiti. Some CARICOM countries also pledged to help, but that plan was placed on hold after a court ruled that it was unconstitutional.
CARICOM right now is trying to kind of save itself in a way by inviting us. They were inviting us to Jamaica for, yes, tomorrow and the day after. But practically everybody said no. What is CARICOM going to do? Because we have said that our Yellow must go. The population massively throughout various cities in Haiti have said that our Yellow must go, but CARICOM is calling us to discuss with our Yellow.
There's been widespread unrest in Haiti since the assassination of President Jovenel Moïse in 2021. The deceased president's wife is among those indicted for the killing. Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.